Turning machines. The engine lathe, as the horizontal metal turning machine is commonly called, is the most important of all the machine tools. It is usually considered the father of all other machine tools because many of its fundamental mechanical elements are incorporated into the design of other machine tools. The engine lathe is a basic machine tool that can be used for a variety of turning, facing, and drilling operations. It uses a single-point cutting tool for turning and boring. Turning operations involve cutting excess metal, in the form of chips, from the external diameter of a workpiece and include turning straight or tapered cylindrical shapes, grooves, shoulders, and screw threads and facing flat surfaces on the ends of cylindrical parts. Internal cylindrical operations include most of the common hole machining operations, such as drilling, boring, reaming, counterboring, countersinking, and threading with a single-point tool or tap. Milling machines. A milling machine cuts metal as the workpiece is fed against a rotating cutting tool called a milling cutter. Cutters of many shapes and sizes are available for a wide variety of milling operations. Milling machines cut flat surfaces, grooves, shoulders, inclined surfaces, dovetails, and T-slots. Various form tooth cutters are used for cutting concave forms and convex grooves, for rounding corners, and for cutting gear teeth. Milling machines are available in a variety of designs that can be classified as the following. 1. Standard knee and column machines, including the horizontal and the vertical types. 2. Bed type or manufacturing machines. And 3. Machines designed for special milling jobs. High-speed machining, HSM. Cutting at speeds significantly higher than those used in conventional machining operations. A persistent trend throughout history of machining is higher and higher cutting speeds. At present there is a renewed interest in HSM due to potential for faster production rates, shorter lead times, and reduced costs. Shapers and planers. Shaping and planing operations involve the machining of flat surfaces, grooves, shoulders, T-slots, and angular surfaces with single-point tools. The largest shapers have a 36-inch cutting stroke and can machine parts up to 36 inches long. The cutting tool on the shaper oscillates, cutting on the forward stroke, with the workpiece feeding automatically toward the tool during each return stroke. Planing machines perform the same operations as shapers but can machine longer workpieces. Some planers can machine parts up to 50 feet long. The workpiece is mounted on a reciprocating table that moves the workpiece beneath a cutting tool. This tool, which remains stationary during the cutting stroke, automatically feeds into the workpiece after each cutting stroke. Drilling machines. Drilling machines, also called drill presses, cut holes in metal with a twist drill. They also use a variety of other cutting tools to perform the following basic hole machining operations. 1. Reaming. 2. Boring. 3. Counterboring. 4. Countersinking. And 5. Tapping internal threads with the use of a tapping attachment. Grinding machines. Grinding machines remove small chips from metal parts that are brought into contact with a rotating abrasive wheel called a grinding wheel or an abrasive belt. Grinding is the most accurate of all of the basic machining processes. Modern grinding machines grind hard or soft parts to tolerances of plus or minus 0.0001 inch, 0.0025 millimeters. The common types of grinding machines include the following: 1. Plain cylindrical, 2. Internal cylindrical, 3. Centerless, 4. Surface, 5. Offhand, 6. Special, and 7. Abrasive belt.